Hello guys, welcome back to the Forex Ball Trade Academy. Victor with you here again. First of all, thank you guys for all your likes. I really appreciate it. So I decided actually to make yet another video because you were great enough to actually give so many likes. So I would expect the same next time. So please do if you like this video as well. So let's get started, and today we have Australian versus Canadian dollar currency pair. And as usual guys, before we start, I would like to remind you all the information is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Jumping back to our previous ideas, gold approaching the targets slowly but steadily. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, we had this idea yesterday, so precisely price has reached our target. Very good. Profit has been taken. Ideal entry point was mentioned upon 1 hour moving above this high, fading to close above then entry. And this means that the entry would have been around this level, 113.52, after which price went down very fast. So target reached, profit has been taken. Now pound, Canadian dollar, this is the long-term idea, and we will need to see that in the long run, guys. Overall, still a long hold for those who like these kind of ideas. Moving on to Australian Canadian. Now, the interesting part is that because we had stopped out on the pound Australian dollar and Australian Japanese yen was one of our previous ideas, where very weak Australian dollar was expected. And same still applies. Australian dollar will be weak, and I think during the beginning of the next week it will be moving down substantially across multiple currency pairs, and this could be the final move. I think it will be our final move for some pairs and just initial move on other pairs. We can see like Australian Japanese yen went down substantially while Australian Canadian dollar actually didn't go that much. So that's what might happen. Let's look at the price action quickly. Here we have a descending channel applied through these two highs and the low in between. What we see is the rejection of this downtrend trend line. There was a clean bounce of this level. So I did apply Fibonacci to this rejection. There was a spike produced above, but price failed to close above the trend line, and it failed to close above the moving averages, both simple and exponential. This means that there is a massive resistance which has been respected multiple times, 1, 2, 3, and previously this was the support level. This makes me think that this will be quite a nice move, probably on Monday. Maybe it will start moving down today. But overall, on Monday there will be the main move, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. Yeah, this is not a long-term idea, but more of a medium term, because there are like 250 pips downside potential. Because we have a target at 727.2 Fibonacci retracement level applied to this correction. Why this level is because it corresponds to the extended channel, extended trend line of the channel. You see that there is a channel, we have extended it, and extended lower trend line corresponds with the target, and it goes in line with the expected time span. So we can see this actually target to be reached on Monday. You can see that here it shows that it might be Monday evening. So probably 24 to 48 hours for this sort of move. And that's what I think. So again, guys, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate your comments, your like, smash more of them. And till Monday, I wish you a great weekend.